Hello everybody, my name is Hamed Gholam Rezai or Hamed Gholam Reza. Welcome to this lesson. I'm from Guri Architecture Academy. In this tutorial, we will discuss the differences and similarities of different versions of SketchUp software. SketchUp has not made many changes in user interface or user environment since 2014 until today when it released version 2022, and most of the focus of the company that create this software is Trimble. It has been on improving the performance of the software and optimizing coding. Many changes usually don't have a good result for the software company because its user will decrease.